Yazid's forces began attacking Imam Hussein's camp, harassing the women and children, robbing everything they found in their possession. Ashura was the day that challenged the limit of tolerance and patience, and it went beyond the established boundary. It went beyond the capacity of normal human beings. The members of the AHLULBAYT were exceptional, be it the 56-year-old Lady Zainab or the 4-year-old Sukina. The level of patience is sometimes difficult to comprehend. On the evening of Ashura, the remaining members of Imam Hussein's caravan were taken into captivity and sent to Damascus in order to present them in front of Yazid. These captives were injured, thirsty and starving. They were chained and taken to Damascus. Sukina was the daughter of Imam Hussein and Lady Rubab. It is important to mention here that people may get confused when they hear 3 different names. That is, Ruqayya, Sukina and Sakina. Ruqayya and Sukina are 2 different personalities, and both were present in Karbala. Their miseries and hardships are almost the same, as both were undergoing a similar kind of ordeal. Both were thirsty, both were beloved to their father and uncle. Lady Sukina was a beautiful and delicate little girl. She was attached to almost everyone. Sukina was the daughter of Imam Hussein and Lady Rubab. Then Sukina had to witness another battle which started right after Imam Hussein's beheading. Yazid's forces began attacking Imam Hussein's camp, harassing the women and children, robbing everything they found in their possession. When the camps were burnt down and Yazid's forces started celebrating, Sukina found herself alone and helpless. She had heard stories about her grandfather Imam Ali, who comes to rescue people, so she called out to him for help. According to one narration, Sukina died when the looted caravan was stopped outside the wall of Damascus so that Yazid could decorate the whole city to celebrate his victory. Due to her thirst, starvation and the manhandling by Yazid's forces, she couldn't survive and died at the gate outside the city where they were asked to stop. In regards to Lady Ruqayya, who was younger than Sukina, there was not a single night when this young girl did not weep and call out for her father. Historians write that little Ruqayya used to weep all night and said to her brother Imam Zain al-Abidin that she would not survive. So when Yazid had come to know about this, he sent the head of Imam Hussein to Ruqayya in the prison. Other accounts narrate that when she received the head, she screamed and then silenced herself. Historians write further that she put her head on Imam Hussein's head and slept, but that she never woke up. Sometimes it is difficult to decide what was more painful, to get killed on Ashura or become a captive with the haunting memories of Ashura. Looking at captives like Sukina and Ruqayya, the latter seems more painful.